Hello, praisers and savers. Just got back from CVS, and this was a total moneymaker haul. That's right, everything you see here, we were paid to buy. So I made over $4.50 in all of these items in Moneymaker. So we have a Moneymaker on the Axe, Moneymaker on the L'Oreal, Moneymaker on the Garnier. No, Garnier, and also Moneymaker on the pads, because those were all Moneymakers. I was able to use that money to pay for everything else that you see here, with a total Moneymaker that I walked out in my pocket of $4.50 something cents. So guys, if you want to know how I did this, stay tuned to the very end of the video, and I'm going to show you all of my great deals. So let's go ahead and get started. If you're new to my channel, please click that red subscribe button and click that notification bell to all. Also, if you love this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not joining me on Instagram or Facebook, head on over there at Praising and Saving. I have all the same handles on all my channels. Also, there is a principal breakdown, so you don't have to write any of these things down. You can just click on the description box, then click on principal breakdown. You can either print it off to take into the store or just pull it up on your device, so you don't have to write anything down. All right, let's go ahead and get started on some deals. Now, the very first thing I'm showing you is a Moneymaker. There are 4 Moneymakers in this haul, and we're going to use these Moneymakers to pay for the other items in this video. So this very first Moneymaker of this L'Oreal Elvive is going to be $1.03 in a Moneymaker. So what we're going to do for this deal, we're going to pick up 3 of these L'Oreal Paris Elvive shampoos and conditioner. So they're $4.99 each. Our total is going to be $14.97. You can either use the $5 coupon that came out in today's paper, which is July the 31st, or you can just use the $5 coupon on the app. Either way works just fine. Then we also have a $4 off 20. We'll use that later, and I'll show you how to do that. And then we have a $2 off L'Oreal Elvive from the app only. And then we have a $4 off of $10 L'Oreal products. So we're going to be using that as well. I love deals like this because you really don't have to do anything for this. You don't even have to use the paper coupon. If you just want to use all the app coupons, that works just fine. Just make sure you scan it in the store at the very top, and it'll work. So using that $5 off coupon. Also, we're going to use that $4 off 10 and the $2 coupon. That's $6 in CVS app coupons. Those are known as CRTs. We're going to use those, so $2 and $4. And then we're going to get back $5 in extra care bucks. With a coupon, the 2 CRTs and $5 back in extra care bucks makes this a grand total of a Moneymaker of $1.03. So a really great deal, or about 35 cents per bottle of shampoo or conditioner. So this is a really good deal, and I'm excited about it. But I got another part to this puzzle that I'm going to share with you. In addition to the L'Oreal Elvive, we're also going to pick up some Garnier Fructis. Now, this is going to be a Moneymaker as well. And the reason we're doing that is because on the app, there is a CRT or a store coupon for $4 off when you spend $20 on shampoo. So in one transaction, make sure you have all your shampoos and conditioners together. I'm going to make sure I have the L'Oreal and the Garnier together, because our total is going to be over $20 when I have both of those. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick up 2 of these Garnier products. Now, I'm choosing the Frizz Serum because this is something I haven't tried and I want it. Usually I do get the shampoo. So these are 2 for $7 or $3.50 each. We do have this $4 coupon that came out in July 31st paper. Now, this is a great coupon because usually they give us a $3 coupon, but this is a $4 coupon, so it's a little bit higher in value than we're used to. And then we're going to use that $4 off 20 shampoo products. Now, that $4 off 20 in shampoo products is going to be the CR2. Let's go back. So the $4 off on the coupon, the $4 off on the shampoo products when you spend $5 is going to make this a $1 Moneymaker or 50 cents Moneymaker on each bottles of these Garnier products. So great deal, another Moneymaker. So let's keep going and see what other deals we can get in the store today. All right, so the next deal is on this U by Kotex liners. These are the 18 count, very small box, but it's a great deal, and it's also going to be a Moneymaker. So these are $1.99. but they're buy one, get one 50% off. So essentially, it's like saying they're $1.50 each. We're getting 2 of them at $1.50 each, which makes it $3 together. And then we have this $2 coupon that came out in last week's paper, where it works, bringing that down to $1. And then there's extra care bucks when you buy 2 of these You Buy Kotex products, that you'll get $2 back in extra care bucks, making this $1 moneymaker for both, or 50 cents moneymaker each. Now I have a huge moneymaker, but I'm going to put it further down into the video so you can see the whole deal. So make sure that you continue watching to the end. So we're going to be getting these Schick Hydro Razors for just $1.29 each. This is a great deal. I didn't even expect this, but I saw that if you buy 2 of the Schick or Skintimate, any of those razors, you can get $10 back in extra care bucks. I'm like, that's a lot of extra care bucks. So what I did was I picked up 2 of these Hydro Silk razors at $12.79 each. The reason I did that is because there is a CRT on the app. If you spend $25 on shaving products, you'll get $5 off. So I need to get to that $25 mark to be able to use that CRT on the app. So what I did was I picked up both of these. My total was $25.58. Now you can do this with the men's razors or any of the other razors, but just make sure that you get to that $25 mark so that CRT comes off. Then I used 2 of these $4 coupons, and we got these a couple weeks ago. So that's going to be $8 in coupons that I can use. Then, of course, that $5 off $25 shave products, that CRT on the app came off, and then I got back $10 in extra care bucks. With all that being said, after my extra care bucks, my CRT, and my coupons, my total was $2.58, or about $1.29 each. Pretty great deal on some shaving products that I usually don't buy. I usually buy the disposals, so I was very glad to pick this up. The next deal is going to be a glitch deal. Now, what that means is we unexpectedly have 2 of the manufacturer coupons coming off. So our deal for this is going to be 46 cents per toothbrush. So I was really excited about this. I'm actually going to get the charcoal Oral-B ones. These are $5.79. Scan more of the toothbrushes in the store. You may be able to get these even cheaper, but that's the ones I wanted. So we're picking up 3 of these at $5.79. Our total before coupons is going to be $17.37. Then we have this $6 coupon that you see here that's going to attach, because we are going to be getting a mouthwash here in just a moment. And then that $5 is attaching as well. With the $6 and the $5 coming off, we also got $5 in extra care bucks, bringing our total to $1.37, which is amazing. I just love to get some almost free toothbrushes, and these were just 46 cents each, using both of those coupons on the app and the extra care bucks. In order for that $6 off 4 Crest items to come off, you have to pick up something else. And so what I did was I picked up one of these Scope mouthwashes. They are usually $6.99. They're on sale for $4.99. Now we do have a $1 coupon on the app. So this is a no paper coupons deal, bringing our total to $3.99. And then we're going to get back $2 in extra care bucks. So making our total just $1.99. So essentially you're going to be getting all 4 of these products. Our total started, let me add it up really quick, $17.37 plus $4.99. Our total started at $22.36. We're going to be getting all of these products for about $3.50. And this is a no paper coupons needed deal, so make sure you pick up 4 of those products that, qualifies, and make sure you scan it on the app for it to work. Anytime I see these CRTs for the CVS floss pickers, I have to pick them up. These are going to be just 81 cents, and it's a no paper coupons needed deal. Now, if you have CarePass, you're able to get 20% off on the CVS health brand items. So these are usually $2.89, but they're going to be $2.31 with that 20% off. We're going to pick up 2 of these. When we do, our total is going to be $4.62. There are 2 CRTs on the app. There's $1.50 off one, and then there's $1.50 when you buy 2. Both of those CRTs are coming off. So that's $3 in CRTs that are going to come off, making our total $1.62 or about 81 cents each. Great deal on these. It was unexpected, but I saw it in the app, and I know if I see these in the app, I'm definitely going to pick these up. Please check your household products, your cleaning products section, because a lot of things are 50 and 75% off. Now, my finish was 50% off, so they were $3.24. I've seen people post it that it was 75% off. Now, you also can use the dollar coupons that are on the app. They will work, so go ahead and check those out. And then for me, I found on IBOTTA that there is a $1.25 back on IBOTTA, and we can do this deal up to 5 times. So I was able to pick these up for just 74 cents. No paper coupons needed. I used that coupon on the app and then also that rebate on IBOTTA, making these just 74 cents. Let me know how your store is doing with the clearance and if you scored on any clearance items in the comments. All right, so this is an insane moneymaker on the Axe. This is going to be an $8.83 moneymaker on these Axe products. So let's do the math on these. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to pick up 6 of these Axe sprays. All right, the reason we're doing that is because they were buy one, get one 50% off. So essentially, if we bought one and got one 50% off, that would be like saying they were $4.72 each. So we're going to pick up 6 of these at $4.72 each. Your total is going to be $28.32. Now, because the coupon says here, buy one, get one free, that's essentially like saying we're going to pay we're going to get off $4.72 on 3 of them. So what I did on my principal breakdown was I took $4.72, I multiplied it by 3. So you'll see a little weird number, which is $14.15 in those coupons. Now, my store did something a little bit different. They gave me something a little bit higher on this, but I didn't notice till I already walked out. But anyways, it's supposed to be $4.72 for every other one. So that will be $14.15 worth of coupons. So you're using 3 of these paper coupons. Then we have a $3 off the deodorant CRT. So we're using that as well. In addition to that, when you spend, I believe it is on the Unilever products, when you spend $25 on Unilever products, you'll get back $10 in extra care bucks. That's a high value extra care bucks. Now, right now, our total with the 3 coupons, the BOGO coupons, the $3 in-store coupon CRT, and the $10 in extra care bucks makes our total $1.17. So I thought that's how much it was going to cost. But when I went home, I scanned my receipt in Fetch. Fetch gave me 10,000 Fetch rewards or $10 back on buying these Axe products. So that was $10 unexpected. I did not realize I was going to get. And if you are not part of Fetch, please look in my description box. I love Fetch. It's so easy. All you do is scan receipts and you get all these points and you're able to redeem them for gift cards. Fetch is by far the easiest rebate app that I've ever used. So with all of that being said, Fetch, the coupons, the CRT, and the extra care bucks, this was a moneymaker of $8.83 on 6 of these Axe deodorants that I desperately needed for my blessing bag. So amazing, amazing. All right, guys, that was everything I needed to show you today. I cannot believe this was a moneymaker haul. I just was so excited about getting all that Axe spray for my blessing bags. That's a huge moneymaker. The L'Oreal, the Garnier, and also the U by Kotex liners. So great moneymaker haul. Guys, let me know if you score in the comments. And also, if you love this video, please smash that like button. It helps me out a ton when you engage in my videos and watch all the way to the end. You guys know that we have a blessing bag ministry, and when you watch our videos all the way to the end, it just helps to support our channel, and it helps support the people that we help. So thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. We'll be heading into Walmart for our weekly Walmart haul video.